To track your daughter's iPhone location, you can use Apple's built in Find My app, which allows you to locate her device in real time. So, here is how to do it. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your mobile device and make sure that your Find My is turned on. Inside Settings, tap on your name at the top. Once you tap on your name at the top, tap on the Find My option available there. Now inside Find My, make sure that your Find My toggle is switched on. So now once you made sure of it, simply go to the Find My option available or Find My app option. Inside Find My app, all you have to do is tap on the People option available at the bottom tab. Now at the People, you will see a list of devices associated with your family sharing group and select your daughter's name or her iPhone. Now this app will show her iPhone's location on a map, and you can choose to play sound if the iPhone is nearby to or get directions to its location. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.